Today I have come with a very interesting topic. It's actually a very small topic but very important. Apparently it looks very unimportant and very small topic, but it's very important. It's about the correct pronunciation of the indefinite article a. In English there are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. And in definite article again we have two articles, that is a and an. A goes with any singular common noun beginning with consonant, whereas an goes with any singular common countable noun beginning with vowel or vowel sound. That is a separate topic. I will explain it in detail later on in a separate video. But today's topic is when to pronounce indefinite article a as a and a as a. It's very small but very important. This indefinite article a has two pronunciation. It has got two pronunciation, a and a. And many people don't know when to pronounce it a and when to pronounce it a. It's so simple, so easy to learn and understand. So here is a table of two columns. In the first column I have given a few examples, and again in second column I have given a few examples how to pronounce a as a and a as a. Look at these examples. Here the pronunciation of this a is a. For example, a boy, a book, a house, a chair, and the same nouns, the same common nouns are used here in the second column, but they are used now here in examples, in sentences. They are used in sentences, right? And here the correct pronunciation of these a's is not as a but as a. He is a boy. I am reading a book. I have a house. She is sitting in a chair. Right? Yes? Hope you understood. Here these A's are these common nouns: a book, a boy, a book, a house, a chair. These are not part of any sentence. They are isolated. They are in isolation and they are not part of any sentence. Because what is the minimum requirement of a sentence? Subject plus verb plus object. But at least there has to be a subject, correct? At least there has to be a verb. And when there is no verb, then it is not sentence. So here these are sentences. Because why? In these we have subject, verb and complement. Subject, helping verb, main verb and object. Again here subject have is helping, it is main verb. A house is what? Object. She is subject, is helping verb, sitting is main verb, and in its preposition a chair is what? Adverb of place. Yes, noun, and in chair it is adverb of place. It is adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. Okay. So our focus here is on correct pronunciation of article A, indefinite article A. Right? It is very easy to learn and understand. When any noun, any singular common countable noun is not part of a sentence, that time it is pronounced as a. For example, a boy, a book, a house, a chair, a girl, a tree, a dog, a pen, etc., etc. But when these nouns, singular nouns, come in a sentence or they are part of a sentence, that time the pronunciation of the article a is not a but a. Yes? So in this way, hope you understood when to pronounce indefinite article A as A and A. Yes, thank you my dear learners for watching this short video. If you think you learned something new in this today's short video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you once again. Have a knowledgeable day ahead. Thank you.